Both planned and spontaneous video recording have their advantages when it comes to recording video content, but it sure does pay off to plan ahead and pre-record videos on social media. Hi everyone, I'm Willem Osich and welcome to Botsplash TV. If you are on social media, you simply can't deny that videos are everywhere. Video content is a surefire way to have people be engaged with the content you promote, as everyone simply enjoys watching recorded content. Such video posting software as Buffer and Zoho allows users to post videos on their social media without demanding too much video expertise from those people. Posting video content ahead of time can help generate more content in the future, so don't be afraid of that camera phone of yours and start recording today. I'm Willem Osich, and once again, thank you for watching Botsplash TV.